Every dream starts with the journey. But for some, the journey is the dream. And when the power to perfect the dream becomes a reality, it's ultimate freedom, ready for the adventure. You set the field and destination. Choose to cruise or accelerate your dream machine. Whichever you decide, you need maximum performance and endurance to handle the journey. Protect your power machine from extreme stress in high speeds, prolonged distance of blazing hot temperatures. It's torQ's Ester Plus with heat stabilizer formula for the job. To complement air or liquid-cool high-performance superbikes of large engine capacities with dry or wet clutch. With its unique heat protection properties, lubricating the engine, lesser oxidation occurs and good oil viscosity control is maintained. Allows efficient gear change for ultimate control. So keep your cool and power on. On the road, you and your journey. From dawn to dusk, torQe Superbike Oil lets you ride smoothly to live your dream. torQe Superbike Oil, powered by High Rev.